Alright, don't move! I was concerned, he's got a bunch of stuff there. Nobody's from New Whaling?
Safe. No.
Is that a tap out?
Out.
Oh! Don't!
Off the rope. Come on.
He was hitting me on that.
1, 2, 3. Off the rope. Off the rope.
Count.
1, 2. You want to continue? Come on now. Chasyn, Rance.
Guys, I think we have a little bit more time to fill before the band's ready. So, I wanted to welcome and introduce you to one of the girls that wants to compete on a future Shot and High pay-per-view, which again we're having here tomorrow